Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your KPHR account. To do so, firstly open your web browser and in the search bar type in kp.com. KP means Kagir Permanente. It will take you to this interface which is the official website of Kagir Permanente. And in order to log in or sign in to your HR account, over here you can see the sign in button. At the top right hand, click on the sign in button. It will take you to the sign in portal. Once you are here, enter the user ID of your account like this. If you are using your private computer, you can click here save user ID, but I do not recommend you to do that in the public computer for the privacy purpose. Once you do that, over here enter your password. To reassure your password what you typed, you can click on the eye icon over here. In case if you guys forgot your login credentials, you can recover it by clicking here forgot user ID or password. Once you do that, click on the sign in button. You should be able to sign in into your KPHR account. And if you want to create an account, you can click here register for an account. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.